The Public Broadcasting Corporation of Jamaica officially launched its exhibition of 100 years of Jamaica's audiovisual history today, November 12, at its South Odeon Avenue office in Kingston. The exhibition was mounted on World Audiovisual Heritage Day at the end of October, and all are invited to come and take a look. The exhibition is a stimulating walk down memory lane, traversing Jamaica's rich audiovisual legacy. Spanning a century, the exhibition looks at Jamaica's broadcast industry from 1913 to 2013, showcasing the steady evolution of broadcasting equipment. There's a wall of fame featuring a plethora of media personalities. Many of these personalities were synonymous with the country's first television station, the Jamaica Broadcasting Corporation, JBC, as well as Radio Jamaica. One such personality is veteran broadcaster Tony Patel, who paid a visit to view the exhibition. He says he got his first taste of television broadcast as a guest on a television show.
I got into the studio and I just knew that this is where I wanted to be. This was it. I just fell in love with the atmosphere, the cameras, the lights, the people moving around, setting up microphones and building the set and the rehearsal and the director upstairs telling us what to do, and wow, it was like magic. But that's what I wanted to do.
Mr. Patel joined JBC in 1965.
Your voice, your diction, pronunciation, all of that had to be acceptable. You had to speak good standard English at the time.
He says over the years, JBC has influenced regional broadcast and has evolved to mirror the dynamic development of broadcast media.
Moving from film to digital, where we can record, playback right away, and if there's a take two, it's not good enough, we just do it over right away because we can see what we just did and what we don't like about it, or any mistakes. Whereas in film, you didn't have that chance.
The exhibition will run until November 29. Church members, social groups, friends and family are invited to the exhibition from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. each day. Groups of over 5 persons are asked to schedule a booking with the PBCJ Library.